Hi Santoshi, Harshavardhan, Amruta, Jagdish, Nagaraj, Jakir. So, Santoshi, have you done your project?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you show now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll share my screen. I will give the permission to you. Just show me that. Right. Jagadish. Have you done? Nagaraj. I'll give the share permission. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
I make you as host. Okay. Just to share your screen now. Okay. Tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. My work. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Santosh. Very good. So have you attached with the database also?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Done. Very good. Very good.
I will show you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Jackie. think it's taking a lot of time. What is your system configuration? Santosh?
Sir,
So what is
your
your
voice
system
audible,
configuration?
sir? I5, sir.
F3. Okay. RAM?
I5, sir.
RAM. RAM 8 GB.
Yes, sir. 32.
Then why it is taking this much time? Just stop the execution and start again. Stop the execution, start again.
Yes, sir.
Stop once and try to start again. Sometimes that also may be the problem. Again start.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, I am visible. Your screen is visible. Otherwise, change the browser.
Sir?
It's possible to change the browser.
Sir, I'm entering. No, sir, I just entered some values.
Okay.
Is it not visible, sir? I'm doing.
Actually, your browser is not visible to me. That's why I'm saying. See, your screen is visible for me. Now browser is visible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you added right. It's okay. So carry
Yes,
on.
sir.
Please
Okay,
carry on.
ma'am.
Okay. Right. Good. Very good. Superb. And the background image also good.
Thank you, sir. Supply.
So which code you write? Are you write uh, disconnect architecture or
Code, sir.
connect architecture?
Connected, sir.
Connected. Okay. So try to use later change the code with what we can call stored position. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Change
I
the
just used the
code.
table, sir. I didn't use the stored position.
Okay. What I'm saying, better to try use stored position later. Okay. That's useful for you.
Yes.
When you go for the real
Okay,
time,
sir.
might not be use this normal coding. Might be use almost all other procedures. Only.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I'll write it procedure.
Very good. Very good, Santosh. Keep it up. Okay. Right. No problem. Share. Give me the permission.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No.
Still you are the host.
Yes, sir.
Just do me the host. Right click on my name more and give me the host permission.
Yes, I did.
Yes, yes.
I did it.
Yes, yes. Okay. Shall we wait for somebody? Or can we start MVC? Or done? Anybody will come? Because only less members are there today in the class. 1, 2, 3, 6 members. Anisha. Anisha, have you done your project? Anisha.
Sir?
Have you done your project? Anisha, am I audible? Have you done your project? Anisha. Vishala. Vishala. Have you done your project? No? Vishala.
Salamde.
Yes, completed. Completed.
Innava? Ending sir. Solli చెప్తాను చెప్పు. చార్లో చికెన్ ఉందా? ముట్టుకోవాలి.
Oh, correct. So next we'll go for the MVC, model view controller. Model view controller. Okay. MVC. MVC. Model view control. Model view control. So what we did as of now, in the same page we designed, in the same page we write the code, and in the same page. Okay. So everything we did in the same page. Okay. Everything we did in the same page. Instead of that. Okay. So design we are writing in one area. Coding we are writing. That means base layer. We base code we are writing one way. And requesting with one layer. Okay. These all are if you write. Okay. Then automatically the execution of work project will be faster. And also compiler can understood easier for these all purposes. Okay. See, whatever we are done with ASP.NET, same thing we are doing with MVC also. Whatever that we are doing with ASP.NET, same thing we are doing with MVC also. The difference is here, okay, distributing the code actually. For example, so view design purpose. There also we have to write the code for the design code. Okay. Next, controller. Controller will request. Control always requesting the uh, models. Okay, that means request for the different properties. Okay, like now model will maintain all the logics. Model will maintain all the logics. Okay, that logic will be used in the controller request for the control request. Okay, observe here. Okay. MVs. Okay. ASP.NET free web framework. Okay. For building websites and web application on .NET framework using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So the design part will be remain same. ASP.NET MVC. Okay, present okay version of MVC is 5. Okay, we have different versions actually, older versions. I will show with the okay 4 version, 5 version, both I will show you. No problem. Okay, there was we don't have much okay difference on that. Okay, so based on the technologies, that means framework, the MVC also changing actually. Okay, now the people you are using I think 2019 framework. Okay, 2019 framework. Okay, so MVC 3.4 is there in the okay 2012 framework like 4.0 and 4.5, 3.5 frameworks. Okay, next. So web framework based on the model view controller architecture. Developers can build okay dynamic web applications using the MVC framework that enables clean separation of the observe here separation of the concerns, faster development, and okay. Right. Next, ASP.NET MVC architecture. So MVC, okay, MVC architectural pattern has okay, excited for long time. Correct. Now let's understand MVC supports ASP.NET. MVC stands for Model View Controller. MVC separates an application into the 3 components. Nothing is okay. Model view and control. Model represents the shape of data. Okay, the complete data held by the model actually. Okay, whatever the code, major code you are writing inside the model only. Okay, a class in C# used to describe the model actually. Here, okay, basically we have to the setter getter method. Okay, setter and getter methods. Okay, you can understood when I open. Okay, so model represents the shape of the data. A class in C# used to describe a model. Okay, model objects store data. Okay, retrieved from the database. Okay, so that means the main base layer. Okay, base layer will be the model actually. Okay, next view. What is the view? So view in MVC is the user interface, UI. Okay, UI. So here we have the HTML, JavaScript, CSS, whatever you require for that. Okay. So view displays the model data to user and also enable them to modify them. Okay. View in ASP.NET. Okay, view in ASP.NET. MVC is HTML, CSS, and some special syntax. So laser syntax also you can write in the okay view only. You can see that. Okay. So make easy communicate with the model and control. Next point. Controller. Third point is controller. The controller handles the user request. Okay, typically, the user uses the view and raises an HTTP request, which will be handled by the controller. The controller processes the request and return to okay appropriate view as a response. So don't think model and view has some relation. So remember, always controller will okay interact with the model, controller will interact with the view. That's a very important point. Controller interact with the view and controller interact with the okay model. That's very important point. Remember that. Okay, have you understand my points? Yes. Santoshi, Amrita, Anisha, Harshavardhan, Jagdish.
So
Okay. So now see, controller. Controllers are handling the user request. Typically the use, okay. So you view and raise an HTTP request, which will be handled by the controller. The controller processes the request and return appropriate view as a response. Okay. And simply, controller is a request handler. Okay. View is a user interface. Okay. And above one more point is what? Model represents the data. 3 things. You can now see controller. See, observe here. Controller can okay. Controller can okay. Contact with the model. Controller can contact with you. Okay, right? So here the complete So process will done between view and control domain, view and control domain. Okay, and also the model again. Okay, model again. So when we set the properties, okay, when we set the properties, we have to apply. We have to apply the validations. So almost from property, whatever the view. Okay, what are the view data? Okay, view is a design. For the design, we are writing the logic for the logic with the model directly. Okay, directly in the view. Okay, there is no relation actually view and model, but so whatever the view will be, okay, using these properties only. So later we'll discuss this all. You can understand. Okay. So now see .NET MVC history. Okay, now 3.5 actually 3.5 version initially. So I learned 1.1 version. I think you don't know also that version actually 1.1 version. 1.1 means the first version of the C# .NET I learned. C# introduced in 2002. C# introduced in 2002 .NET. I learned in 2005. Okay, so first version. Now the what is the work